Parenting is one of the most rewarding journeys in life, but it is also one of the most challenging. Every parent wants the best for their child, yet there is no single rulebook that works for everyone. Taking care of children requires love, patience, and understanding, along with practical steps for their well-being. Let's explore key ways parents can care for their children at different stages. First, meeting basic needs. Providing balanced nutrition with proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Ensuring adequate sleep, regular health care, and maintaining safety at home. Children thrive when they feel loved and secure. Show affection, spend quality time, and listen to their feelings without judgment. Guide behavior through positive discipline and clear boundaries. Be a role model. Children learn more from actions than words. Support learning with age-appropriate activities that stimulate the brain. Encourage reading habits and show interest in their studies and creativity. Teach essential life skills like hygiene and self-care. Simple chores, money management, and building respect and responsibility. Parents must also take care of themselves. A healthy parent provides better care. Remember, happy parents raise happy children. Parenting isn't about being perfect. It's about being present, patient, and loving. With love, structure, and care, you help your children grow into confident, healthy, and compassionate individuals. At Carimaa Parenting and Baby Care, we provide tools and support to make your parenting journey smoother and more joyful.